I'll show you a little something. I usually like to do 2 cars at a time. I know a lot of these detailers out here ask on Facebook and here and there, what you working on today? And we have a Maserati, right? So we're gonna turn these 2 cars, beauties right here, to this and that. That's the thing. What I want to kind of express in this video today is, the proper way of doing tires and things of that nature. Easy stuff, right? Then we have the Mazzi, basic clean. I hear a lot of people on Facebook comment on what's the best tire stuff, right? I hear a lot of talk of what tire stuff is the best stuff to use. I hear it all the time on Facebook, and throughout the years I've been doing this, right? I want everybody to remember something, especially the guys and ladies that's in this detail business. It's pretty much of how you use the product more than, the name of it. What I like to do, I've been doing this for, as far as doing it this way with the tires for over 25 years consistently, right? I like to kind of Frankenstein the tire. A lot of people trip out on that, but that's my style. I spray it, wipe it, and I spray it again. One more thing for the people at home and everybody out there, I'm doing a basic wash. I like to do 2 cars at a time, so I've had a few people ask me, how's that process for me and how do I do it? So here it is. Pretty much line the vehicles up like this, like a limo, right? While we're here, let me show you a little inside. So as you see, I haven't did quite much in here quite yet, but I have wiped down the interior. APC Plus, and I've used a lot of different stuff. I'm sure there's some other good stuff out there, but what I like about the APC Plus, it works on everything. It doesn't turn the leather or cloth or anything. It's just some good stuff. I guess I should have showed you guys the before of what the seats kind of looked like before, but you can kind of get a good look, and I just want to show you the before and after this, right? This APC Plus, man, it's amazing. I've been using this for over like 10 years, I believe. Yeah, probably a little bit over 10 years, but it doesn't fade. This is a Maserati, so I wouldn't be playing with. And I've did several high-end cars, even a little bit more expensive than this. I never had a problem. APC Plus, I'll put the link in the description. You can kind of see how I cleaned the back seat already. Look at that. I haven't even put no leather treatment or nothing on there. It's just clean. What? Show you guys some that's no leather treatment at all, just APC Plus cleaning water. APC Plus, I usually call a mini detail, right? For each car, it took me about 1 hour and 20 minutes. I've never done these cars before. It's just a basic wash, and the reason why I'm showing this because I'm out in Vegas. Most people on this side, on the West Coast, they request basic washes. Something wrong, I can do ceramic wax or color, sand, buff, and all that good stuff. But you got to know your market, right? I don't try to be Mr. All to everybody. Run into a lot of problems like that. So just do you. Specialize in something. Stop competing with the people that you work beside and compete with yourself. You know, just a little advice from Audio Vision. If you're getting any type of benefit out of this, share this, leave this, subscribe. I really appreciate it. And that. We just left two basic, what I call mini details. It took each of those, it took 1 hour, 15, 20 minutes. Wasn't too bad. The reason why I'm making this, even bringing this to your attention is because, listen, in this industry, I've said it before, I've been detailing cars for a minute, and you don't have to know everything. You know, just specialize. Find you something to specialize in, you know. I made $100 an hour, okay? Easy, right? Easy work. Work smart, not hard. Find your niche, find your, you know, do like Stella did. Get your groove back if you're a female. I know there's a lot of females out there, you know, detailing cars. If you're a male, hey, y'all remember He-Man? Y'all, hey, everybody grew up around my time, you know He-Man. Get your He-Man back. Next video gonna be something else. Take you all around this city. And I'm gonna share it with you, Audio Vision. Hey, leave a comment and let me know if you got any type of benefit out of this. I'll talk to you next video, and clean just feels better.